we go again. What we got there? What's the stack? 8 boxes. This is box number 9. This is from the outside of the case. 1 box left from the inside. 2 more from the other outside. Glaring. I've read about these. That's pretty wild. It's the first one of those I've seen. Cool. This is a different box. Maybe. Oh, nice. Always like Crosby cards. Dry settle. Mitch Marner. Ooh, nice. Blue Qs. That's a gooder. Definitely put that one aside. McDavid. Blake Wheeler. That was a great pack. This box is really good, actually. All the way through. Oh, so we've got a sparkle back there. We got a 90 beignets. It's the first one of those we've seen. This box is hitting a bunch of ones we haven't seen yet, so that is a young gun we haven't seen yet. Nice TJ Ocean card. Oh, will that be the only outburst in the box? Probably. Oh, we'll put Oshie over here. Wait a minute, did I mix these guys up? Yes, I sure did. Hey, read someone from this one? What did we already get? Let's check. Yeah. Maybe I missed my card, or I don't know. We've opened a lot of packs today. Farrell, another clear cut. Cool. Nope, Penguins. Ooh. I think that's a big hit. I don't know if he's the purple variant there. Check that out. Four packs left. Hey, there's Korchinski. That's great. Dougie Hamilton. Sparkle. Well, that's a beauty. Hey? That's a beauty. Sparkle. And no. Denied on the Bedard.